Hi everyone! In this video, we'll walk through the exciting new multi-server connections feature available on your BuzzTV P6 running the full BuzzTV 6 app. This update lets you connect to multiple servers at once for a fully integrated experience across live TV, video on demand, universal search, the home screen, and more. To get started, go to Servers from the home screen. The P6 has a Servers button right on the home screen. And once you select it, the Servers menu is ready for action. From here, you can add each server in two ways. Use the QR code to quickly add details through your phone, or enter the details directly on screen. If you want a server to connect automatically, just turn on the Auto Connect option. You'll see this during the setup of a brand new server. Already have a server added? No problem. Highlight it, press the blue button on your remote to edit, and you can turn on Auto Connect at any time. If you have more than one server, Auto Connect is a great way to quickly switch between them without re-entering details. If you'd like to hide a server from your live TV menus, highlight it and press the yellow button to disconnect. This won't delete it, it just hides it until you connect again. Once you've added your servers, you'll see them appear in Live TV. Press OK on the Live TV picture-in-picture window to open the channel list, then press the left arrow to open the server and category drop-down menus. Press left again to switch between servers. And you'll also see your multi-server channel groups shortcut at the top. Universal Search is now upgraded to show results across all your added servers. This works in live TV, VOD, and TV series. Now let's talk about multi-server groups. These allow you to combine channels or content from multiple servers into one easy-to-access group. Here's how to create one. From the categories list, select Add Group, or press the yellow button as a shortcut. Choose to create a multi-server group under My Groups or a single server favorites group under a specific server dropdown. Give your group a name, then start adding channels from any of your servers. You can use Universal Search to quickly find channels. Press the green button to save. Your new multi-server group will now appear at the top of the My Groups section in your channel list. Single server favorites still appear under their own servers dropdown. The multi-server changes you see in live TV also apply to video on demand and TV series. You can create and use groups the same way and access content from all servers using the left menu. On the P6 home screen, you'll also notice that under the My Channels tab, your favorite groups from all servers are available. The My VOD and My TV series sections work the same way. You can change the rows to display content from any server you've added. The same groups and favorites system works across live TV, VOD, and TV series, making it easy to keep your content organized. And that's the new multi-server connections feature for the BuzzTV P6. With multiple servers, upgraded universal search, and customizable multi-server groups, you'll enjoy a smoother, more connected viewing experience than ever before.